Hey friends, welcome back to Micket Quiz, the home of voice chaos, Brainrot beasts, and meme madness. Today, we're diving into the ultimate challenge for wild Italian Brainrot animal memes. And your job is to guess them using just their voice. You've got 10 seconds for each round, so hit that like, subscribe, and let's start the chaos. Can you guess this one?
Sigma boy. Sigma.
Sigma boy. Solid start.
Sigma boy. Sigma. Boy.
Find the hidden Ananito Girafini. Well, you spotted it. Sharp eyes. Guess who's behind this mysterious sound?
Roberto Robi.
It's Roberto, smooth and cool. Here comes the dragon.
Roberto Robinuccio.
Guess that voice.
Pee-pee, strawberry, hook.
That's our fruity queen, Pippi Strawberry.
Pee-pee, strawberry, hook. Ist una creatura che abita.
Recognize that growl.
Cannelloni dragoni. Il drago di pasta che brucia città con la besciamella.
It's Cannelloni Dragoni, saucy and proud.
Cannelloni dragoni. Il drago di pasta che brucia città con la besciamella.
Speed round, what's this turbo sound?
Struzzo turbo 3000. Cara struzzo, treno sui trilare.
Trenosco Turbo Tressin. You nailed it.
Struzzo turbo 3000. Cara struzzo, treno sui trilare. Occhio sbarrato ma.
Who's this stylish icon?
Antonio Broccolio, il broccolo mais elegante di tutto il huerto.
Yup, it's Antonio Broccolino.
Antonio Broccolio, il broccolo mais elegante di tutto il huerto. Antolini Broccolio.
What meme makes this sound?
Bombardiro crocodilo. Un fottuto alligatore volante che vola e bombarda.
Bombardier Crocodilo Big Boom. Explosive guess, well done.
Bombardiro crocodilo. Un fottuto alligatore volante che vola e bombarda i bambini a Gaza e...
Can you solve this meme math puzzle? You did it. Comment your answer down below. Who's got the gooey gangster vibes?
Brr gangster Gusini? Le piace sparare con le sue selvagge pistole mafiose.
It's the one and only BRR gangster Gusini.
Brr gangster Gusini? Le piace sparare con le sue selvagge pistole mafiose.
Would you rather vibe with Bombardier Crocodilo?
Bombardiro crocodilo. Un fottuto alligatore volante che vola e
or Gangster Gusini?
Brr gangster Gusini? Le piace sparare con le sue selvagge pistole mafiose. Oh oui.
Hit that like button for Bombardier Crocodilo. Subscribe if you're Team Gusini. Back to the jungle, what? Do you hear?
Orangutini ananasini. Puppa Patapim ananasuchi.
Orangutini ananasini pada. Correct again.
Orangutini ananasini. Puppa Patapim, Ananasuchi Monkey.
Guess this.
Matteo!
That's Matteo. Loud, snappy, and proud.
Matteo!
Memory test. Can you remember this one?
Tung Sahur. Anomali mengerikan yang
That's Tung. Bravo!
Tung Sahur. Anomali mengerikan yang hanya
Who's yelling?
Capu cappuccino assassino. Assassini.
You know it. Cappuccino assassino.
Capu cappuccino assassino. Assassini.
And what's this citrusy surprise?
Obrelli orangenelli. Wow, la orangerito do bobrito. El bobris.
Bobrelli orangenelli, juicy and original.
Obrelli orangenelli. Wow, la orangerito do bobrito. El bobrissimo.
Can you find the odd one out again? Brilliant! You spotted it. Who's this classy sounding character?
Ta 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 Sahur. Ada kejadian misterius yang
It's Ta 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 Sahur.
Ta 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 Sahur. Ada kejadian misterius yang hanya muncul saat sahur.
Final memory round. Where was Yuden Din Dun hiding? Boom! You found it again. Last one. Can you spot the odd one out? You did it? Bravo! How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and pick your next challenge. See you next time on Micket Quiz.